called Chicks Watch. This is therapy. Now, when you hear me tell you that Jamaica is a Netflix series, not even your favorite Hollywood director can dream of some of them things there. Now if you understand why. When videos like this come out, which video you asked, well you might have seen it already, it's all over the place. A woman literally pick up her own in her foot. Her upper, well, what you call this, upper thigh. Very close to her eagle eye. The man almost shot off the woman eagle eye. Well, I guess he can't get shot off, more like shot in her, right? An eagle eye. We can't play the video because, as I say, it's literally somebody that pick up rounds. I know it already with you. Right? I posted the video on Patreon, right? But I could play the audio, right? And you can have a good enough idea just from the audio. Hopefully, them no flag that too, right? Just the audio we play. More if you understand something. Jamaica a normal place. Listen up and listen up carefully.
Happy birthday, Bumbuckler, DNT get shot, man. Bumbuckler, DNT, as you come here, so dog. Whole nerve, sister, whole nerve, you get shot, you know?
Alright. When you hear what the woman say, not the one that pick up rounds, no, the one who narrate the whole thing. I want you to imagine a country where woman pick up round in front of woman and after the woman witness its son. You see, many females in a certain countries all over the world, if them did witness that, all know them can't sleep. Them that ball and make noise and roll in the dirt and go on the most because they can't believe what they must see. In a Jamaica, especially certain parts of Jamaica, in a bad man place, that's Tuesday. Woman will pick up rounds and walk it off. The next one witness all of this. Right? And it sounds like us. I don't, people of Jamaica, I try to understand them and see. When you watch the video, you can see like pitting about the place and based on the reaction of the crowd, you can tell say some kind of idle, one salute over the holiday season. We hear in the papers how 5 people pick up rounds, right, in St. Catherine, and all over the place. We know say bed bugs them a part of that. Wutan him friend them definitely a part of that because we hear what going on. Right. Beer rounds at the top. But all over the place, all over Jamaica. The man them love the whole heap of eagle shot in the ear. Like them don't know so the shot they must come back down. There's a reason why even the military, right, even the police clamp down on the whole gun salute thing. Because way back in the day you might catch your favorite squaddy, right, at the gun salute, right, in a certain events and nothing come out of it. Nowadays, well, I said them not do it, but it's not one time nothing gonna happen. No, man, that's a serious problem. Them rounds are come back down. And the dumb 87s them fire, right, them hold the weapon straight out in front of them, right, so their arms are basically at a 90-degree angle, or maybe say even 110, 120 degrees, and then them fire off the round. So you know say that round fly, and it must, right, it must fly. If it gets somebody, then in a problem. I don't want to say most, but it's likely say, based on the angle where them hold the weapon, as me say, anything from 90 go up to 120, right, or even 150. It's so stupid. Any angle you want to take it, it's stupid. When them shoot all the way, right, or directly in the air, completely vertical, the round end up drop. No, enough time what happens is by the time the round drop, or if it go through a roof, it's already lost most of its momentum. So if you are lucky or blessed, depending on how you look on it and what you believe in it, by the time the round catch you, it don't have as much momentum to do the damage. But some people not so lucky. Now this woman, based on which part the round catch her, and you know say the 87 them did a fire straight ahead of them. Them did a fire, as I say, with them hold the weapon, either straight out in front of them or slightly above them head, and them a fire off. The round fly, if you think about the arch, when you watch them old time medieval movies and you see the arch of them fire the arrows. When them fire the arrow, it go up into the sky a little and then it start to curve back down. Rounds do the same thing. It does travel longer before it start to curve, but it will be coming back down. Jamaica a normal place. Look who most the man them shot the woman and eagle eye. You see, Jamaica is a place where A woman will tell you, say, you know, say, me can't link you again. And you say, what you mean you can't link me? You tell me, say, yeah, come. She said, me can't link you again because at 87, I do, you know, fire some of my rounds and one of them catch me in my eagle eye, so me can't carry it come give you. Anywhere else in the world, you'd automatically dismiss that as a lie. Nothing no go so, but in Jamaica, it might just be true. Anywhere else in the world, you'd say nothing can go so. A Swiss man would say nothing can go so. A German man that say nothing can go so. A French man that say nothing can go so. English man that say nothing can go so. A man from Thailand or wherever that say nothing can go so. But in Jamaica, something can go so. A woman might actually have to cancel her quote unquote date with you because she pick up a round in her eagle eye. 87 is a fire well shot. And next thing you know a shot now in the eye. And I'm come lodge in the eagle eye. Carlton, you have to write down the excuse because you might face it because next thing you know, Kerry tells her she can't bring the eagle eye come give you because she up on her veranda and sci-fi test out him new rifle and next thing you know, right, round fly and come lodge in her eagle eye. It sounds hard to believe but it might just be true. It's unlikely but it might just be true. What a piece of madness. The next thing, no, people are going to say, well, an accident and I saw it go. It's very strange to me how people get very understanding when it comes down to 87s. You see, when gunmen shoot people by quote-unquote mistake, right, which is more negligence than mistake, but anyway, like make we use the word mistake, people are very understanding, especially in a bad man place. Well, I saw it go. Sci-fi never mean it, and what can we say? Nobody is perfect. I was sharing this joke with the Patreon squad because I put the video there first. And people are so understanding with time gunman shoot them by quote-unquote accident. They're like, we could leave it alone here, man, because that's one of them things there. Them now fight for no justice, them now release no statement. I just an accident. Of course, if the security forces shoot somebody by accident, it can't done. In so business of accidents, my day have to go rule. But sci-fi get the benefit of the doubt. J-Bad get the benefit of the doubt. I can't believe what I see in that video. Woman pick up round and basically walk it off. The average man pick up a roll in 9 foot. Right? He might drop on a roll and make it be a nice. You have to see if you believe it. Jamaica's an Netflix series. Fortunately for this young lady, the round never catch her in her eagle eye coming how she done manage. Because if that round catch her in her eagle eye, the doctor would have a hell of a time retrieving it because it's not exactly a place you want to be prodding and putting all kind of equipment. They might just leave it. It's enough time when you pick up rounds in a certain place, doctor just tell us to leave it because if you try to take it out, it might do more damage. Especially if the round is close to the spine or certain places where very tricky. Doctor say, just leave it alone. So if the doctor that say, well, do no surgery, I'm gonna mash up the eagle eye, so better we just leave it alone. People have to take bad things not joke. We're living in serious times. 2022 just started. Mr. Westmoreland fly through the gates. Westmoreland, that was what, 3rd or 4th last year, right? Up until December, 25th when them pass out, right? The division above them. But Westmoreland decides that they're not a joke thing. Westmoreland decides that South St. Andrew are them target. They want their civic crown from South St. Andrew. So Westmoreland, the year just start and it look ugly already. But make we see it play out. Them 87s are not even wait for a week blow off. They're not depend on Christmas break. It's like how you get Christmas break from your work, 87s are depend on that. Them work right through. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, whole life. Culture squad, stay circling. Bless.